In this lesson, we will talk about fractions using real-life usual objects. By definition, a fraction is a part or parts of a whole object. Here we have a whole bread, a whole bowl of greens, and a plate of sausages, but we will use one sausage for this example. If we divide the bread in two parts, each one is called 1/2 of the whole bread. And if I do divide the content of the bowl in 3 groups of greens, each parts will be called 1/3 of the whole bowl of greens. And again, the same with the sausages. If I take one sausage and cut it in 2 parts, each part represents 1/2 of a whole sausage. But if I cut it in 4 parts, each part of the sausage is called 1/4 or 1/4. So let's put some food on the plates. I'm a bit slow in serving. Okay. The plate on the left has 1/2 of bread. It also has 1/3 of the bowl of green. And for the sausages, it contains 1 whole sausage, but 1/4 of another. So in total, 1 1/4 of sausages. If we looked at the plate on the right, we can say it also has 1/2 of the bread, but it has 2 parts of the green, which each of them were 1/3, right? So because it took 2 parts of 1/3, we are now saying that it has 2/3. And for the sausages, it has only 1/2 of a sausage.